Chingra. Fit and in the canaba.
Oh, okay, nice.
I see when you be anto. I was at every say,
hydro oil.
I see when you be Antino.
Our friend Macasado.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, our friend Macasa. Open the rainy bag if you are.
I don't know what about relevant. Hey.
Hello, sorry.
It's cool, you know.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine. You?
Wow, I'm also fine.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Meet you too.
Boss, the patrol to say, you know, who's the last time you did come say, as a open, how hunting. Mama will be able to know the taking care of inside. Now, also, wash it outside and we in a cook house, get a lot of inside.
So she is right now the housemaid.
Only the house help, yeah. What I say? Only the house help.
Hey, boss.
Yeah.
You the one born no mean shira wate. Boss.
Are
meaning says happen masem say. Meaning says how don't say. No mean shira no kese wate.
are
He my poor chofu farmer says out ton come.
are
Abaya me hwehwe bi o mabrabo ma no de na bra nyu.
there be your house help.
Oh, na say house help and house boy there. Collaboration do.
Me with you.
I say Amra do a future strong mind. No problem, boss. No problem.
It's shall we patch away so yeah. I'm your friend of Atabi.
Yeah.
Atabi Nation.
Yeah.
Only a gate man.
Yeah, can gate man.
Just gate man.
Hey, Pangwana. Security.
Or that taking charge of Bibia on the Fura.
Nyabunu no ka gate man yetani.
I only need security.
The security send your bunun into security.
And come for me.
And tough for it any watch mine.
We are survey.
Wow.
Let's go.
Afeni fear your bay day. Afeni fear your bay day. Then stop and boss. O the may ba o map, don't worry. O go find the bay and me bawabasi. Abba.
Alright, sure. And if I maybe pay 50, I'll call you. Yes. Okay, but you hold on 1 second, eh? I tell you, boss. In all inside, I will clean inside and wash your space. Now, I don't see if you are.
Well, you see, this man's space be my big space. So, no matter how.
I tell you, take it off. and then you are cleaning inside here. Oh, papa, oh, what's a shampoo? Now the baby fiance habitat.
Oh, after everything.
Until you go and take the papa off, take the glass off, and come and do it. Make sure you're fast. Now, until you're fast.
Won't you take too much time?
No, go and do it and come. Run, papa. You need to fall under 1 minute. Sharp. Me now fall under 1 minute. Come on, sharp. Come. Hello, Nania. Yeah. No, me piena. Guy, no, I mean security guy, and I mean me person on paper. So them dealing that they change it to. Alright, sure. Okay, Martin, tell you Nana, patron kakran kakra. I will change me cook room over.
But your boss.
Guy, be there, never go back to her.
But you.
And one at the woman lady do it was.
Rana.
Fatusui. And when I home anymore did this.
Yesterday night, I heard plenty noise, but I couldn't know the purpose. Who wait much talking like that?
I tell you, what's your business here? And then until out here.
Boss, my business is to cook for you, check the environment, and outside is also for me.
So that until to be sound checking on 1 o'clock. Mama, da me put my swim, for you there. You can't go outside and talk to them. Huh?
Boss, not that I didn't go and talk to
Yo, listen.
I go there.
You don't do that, me kasa. Don't do that.
I saw them and I come back in peacefully because the way I saw them.
You call on day.
When I go there, I saw the guys.
What were they doing there?
They was just them embarrassing themselves, and I just come back because I want peace. So I should have come inside and take.
Next time, go and confront them. Say, why my master say what down pay the most sorry fee uncle.
I hear, boss.
Do you understand?
I understand.
Alright,
Thank you,
so
sir.
we talk later.
Alright,
It's Mr. Jiga no the other bar. Attack clean hand in
I hear, boss. Yeah.
Na da chemelo island.
I know everything.
Morning really clean here.
I hear, boss.
Papa baby, why?
I'll do as you say, boss.
We got that boys.
I hear, boss.
When here we are friend and sana don't saka we move here.
I hear, boss. Take good care for me, okay? I love you so much. Hi. Yeah, what do you hear? You might be a instructions to say, baby, Quabanani, she want to one, I mean, no. Then Cafe Mokaka, hey, Munja, now washing them Quanambos Wada. Not 23 and I babum. What you hold him in the babu mokum? What you have to use your mental faculty. And so you should watch the DAB. Cousin, yeah, security, I'm imagining Edma.
You're always sweet.
You know?
You're always sweet.
Me say do. Oh, you know, it was so amazing.
It's so nice.
And you should send me to me a bolo radio because it's sweetest forever. Sweetheart. Let me know can scan some say. Send me send this kaka crack coffee. And I'm in your back on so soon. Think I'll make 3,000. I think it's a bit me a sort of baby, you know. I'm sure.
Say 3,000 Ghana.
I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm going to say 2,000. Why?
But showing you 2,000 there, so it's me 3,000 today. Wherever.
And I'm saying, let's see how it goes into future corner. Now I'm already met my wife.
Because you know, mommy friend me sounds.
Don't worry, it's okay. Me beso be a kiss. What can we are waka? I feel I become homes and kind of count, yeah? Babe, them had the listen about me tired that chill, man. So I'm going to hang me die.
Oh, because it's here. When coming home, you're not going to over.
Baby, we are different. Huh?
Yeah. Where's my phone? I'm a friend now.
Oh yeah, to be okay there. Nice. My traction was alright. My mama better now was yeah.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Anyway, mama. I tell you, boss. So I can answer the woman and you'll be cool with you. Ask why the man.
I said, we are in the morning zone, so I have to prepare in my mind.
Sorry, that's okay. And wifey, I told you earlier before we drew Ghana, say mommy no more fear. Yeah. And mama beauty me. So I tell you. And then
Hi mama, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Oh, I cannot hear in a Chio. You too. Can you speak?
I can speak Chi, yeah.
Me, I'm not Chi. Oh, I can speak Chi.
Oh, really?
So you can speak English?
I mean, I want Ghana.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They born me in UK. New York City.
Where in UK?
New York.
UK? No, UK.
forget about her.
Okay.
And then on one
Okay.
I am the cooker.
Yes.
Okay. You know my nails, I can't really cook. I'm not into that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I'm here for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
And on the ABI inside and then I tell you soon on first, no.
Why is he so serious?
I don't know. Or say morning be as Sunday.
Oh, yeah, fish pond, you know. But he has so now Jenny Moon and I say, oh, jar fish pond.
Hey.
It's your problem. But when the day, it's on your friend at on the gates, yeah, or be near the day. Now, first one they take care, but it's a mama buying it, you know. Yeah, now I want some more. Into Bacho, whom you know so. Attack it.
Why?
I am here and let me know because I'm quite, you know. Huh? Be serious. Mama, calm down.
Don't provoke me. You know it.
You know, it's the house boy and then the house girls.
Yeah, they're funny.
Yeah,
It's okay. I like them.
So,
I like their energy.
I tell you, Mama, I'm patch on my wife, I'm so far abrochiba and patch only or barbecue. And or buy and so the old money didn't come on. Yeah, and then Mama, so now she inside work, come on and come on. And patch and then the official intro. Now, I won't say, any dear with the Bamino, Monfasa, man. So, why not? So, free Ghana, no quabuchi, so what I say. And so, Papa. Mama and then Atabi.
Yes, I have heard you have come a long time ago. Now you have came.
Yeah, now I'm finally here.
Oh, madam, first of all, you are welcome.
Thank you.
We are all praying to God to have you, and right now you are inside. And then you saw the coffin in operation, and then you know, I'm so getting inspirited to meet you. I'm very happy to meet you.
Okay.
As my boss was saying, I am the chief security in this house.
Okay.
I've been security a lot of companies in this country. I've traveled to Germany, Austria, Zimbabwe,
okay, so you know how to speak German?
Yes.
Okay.
What can I say?
Alles gut?
Alles gut, Kata.
What's the meaning?
I don't know. Yo, into the next day, no.
Yeah.
Boss, wife, Abba, into the pacho, Mama, Bibia, on point.
Alright.
I don't pay dinner or I'll be in pacho,
Please,
I like shrimps with fried rice.
Shrimps with fried rice.
Can you prepare that for me?
I think for the meantime you're gonna take breakfast before.
No, I won't take breakfast. Just do lunch.
The shrimp.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just want to do 2 runs. I said, oh yeah, man.
I am in
Not the parents of Koya.
Oh, hey, Mama!
Chill, you gotta chill. She's a lady, you gotta treat a lady like that.
Oh yeah, men security or not so your house get you.
Oh, your baby so piano.
I don't know. Why are you disturbing my peace in this house? Let me get my space.
Yo.
Why are you saying her?
She's a house girl and my house goes so you.
Yes, you can't saw her. It does not work like that.
Yeah, you buy your crown house girl and house boys for and easy fire when you do. Yeah, we have papa. Me no kura to fear.
Hey,
over him not to fear. Now me many so. Come on, get out. Let me just get out.
Take can them for me pim go to for guys. Yeah, bet Shana man don't match now 1 hour. Boss, when you move away.
This guy is funny.
Yeah. Anyway, welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, how was the flight?
It was okay. I was just chilling and relaxing. I slept a lot. You know, it's not easy. Flying this hours is a whole lot.
Hey.
Yeah.
Can I jollof?
Yeah, that's me. That's a
I'm
period.
not last.
That's a period.
Yeah. All right, let's go inside. Now, I'm going to intro, man. Now, I'm going to man pay you.
All right. Hey.
Hey, good afternoon. Michiawo.
Afternoon. Pardon?
Mr. Fiera.
You're a clown that done door my little done door in the first minute praying. You got any healing?
And I'm a Mrs. Fiera.
I don't understand, cheese.
Call my baby for me.
Where's your baby?
Hey.
Where's your baby? Gonna talk baby, not gonna know any baby you're talking about.
Oh, boss, no, your father, you my friend, mommy, that's my baby.
My boss?
Yes. Call him for me. I have the address.
I am a boss of my own self. I ain't gonna know the boss you're talking about.
Hey,
what boss are you talking about? Can you mention your boss name?
Me baby.
What is her name?
Friend, mommy. If you're a friend, mommy.
If you're right, it's not a name. You say,
Papa, mommy.
Papa Kumasi. You are not talking. If you say, call if you're right, is if you're right name?
Oh dear me, sorry man, can you? Friend me baby, Papa, mommy.
She's not there.
Huh?
She's good to her.
She.
Yes.
I Papa no your ba. Friend Papa, mommy.
She is not there. She is going to work this morning. She is not inside.
Oh, near you man, and ne Papa near you man. Oh, fear.
Are you going to challenge me? I am the chief security in this house. You're going to challenge me? You call him yourself. Call him
yourself.
yourself.
Trouble me friend. I'm a friend and I'll be home. Gina hot set your madam so what
the fuck you talking about? She even not talk to me any madam any about. You are gonna touch me say you are my madam. How madam?
Hey, bra, who di matamana? Who di matem? Who di a train be no sisia?
Call him. If you call him and he say enter, then you enter. If he didn't say enter, you go back to where you come from.
My friend one for friend bra or how they friend bra.
He is not there. And in the morning he is going to work. He didn't tell me that he will get a visit.
Madam,
why are you challenging me?
My friend one for Ebiana Wadanyane no.
I can't nyani him. He is not there. He go to work. If you don't get him, then go back to your house.
Hey, now I put my friend.
If you get him and he so enter, I will let you enter. But you didn't say enter, you go home.
What do you know about church, my friend?
It means he don't need you. Listen to me. He didn't tell me that he is going to get a visitor today.
It doesn't matter.
It is matter. I am doing my work as a professional security. I don't want any problem. Please, I beg. Excuse me.
Hey, I say mama huni. Na papa de na wo tete me mama ya stranded say. Abrante be why? Hello.
Hello?
Baby.
Yeah.
Now baby, I don't know why mama ya stranded say I'm at your gate.
Oh, I'm not home. Sorry. I'm not home.
But baby, I've been calling you. You're not picking my calls. Why am I worried? I'm devastated.
Sorry. I'm not around. I was at a meeting. Sorry.
But the way your houseboy or your security or your whatever talked to me, and I didn't like it. Now they say you're better day. Me go home when office one so I mean to me, but baby, me them person me who I want to be with you right now.
So what's gonna be now is a meeting. Just let me finish. I'll call you. Really, I'm a frill, yeah.
And baby, me call him in Jina Hana because I saw my room. It's me call him.
The thing, all that's not about it. You say, who could you buy? I'm a frill. But I said, come on, rule say, I want for about the company and my guy is the movie and Barbara Minu. So then you go when I'm coming. I'll call you to meet up when I'm coming. Maybe make you up, baby. But I said,
baby, in about how many minutes will that be, or an hour or two? How many? I want to know because I want to see you, baby. Me who? Nti mi nko fie. Ah, me hu, me fa re ho nko fie.
Sorry, yeah. Me business keep too heavy. I mean your business now coffee. I'll link up and catch up with me, right?
Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me.
I love you. You know I do, yeah?
I love you too. I love you so much. Pacho, will be a prefer me. All right. Take care, Pacho. Take good care of yourself.
You too, yeah?
Kisses.
Bye.
I quite well lucky seven me baby. I can say me come at me. Uncle Behu. I'll be back.